moved all the chamomile in here in the sun. Also, we have this. We have those. Some didn't survive this year. And also, let's see how these are doing. They look fine for now. All of them look happy because the crickets weren't feasting on them today, which is amazing. Oh, and we have some woken up cucumbers. They're getting better. Nice. We have a flower here to protect the roots. Oh. So these are bell peppers. And these are the normal sweet peppers. We have one of those. It's every morning, every night. When you go by, there are always at least 5 spiders who have their webs ready to catch you. So this is what happens with it. We have some more of those bugs that are destroying the tree. So I am collecting them every day, but if they're coming out from here, I can just water it and hopefully the tree will just survive. We have Kitty, not healed yet. Oh, look at this. He keeps on scratching. Why is it like that? So here we have potatoes, protein. And now I'll move these lavender into this planter. I also moved some strawberries. We'll see if they are too crowded in here, but at least they can get bigger. A few more left from this one. They have overgrown these already. And maybe I've watered them too much or too little. And there are those ones that I need to find place for them. As you can see, this is dry, so they need water. We have bad news, and they are that the almonds, both of them, did not survive, even though at first we thought it's because of the frost, but then maybe the water that was in the spring was too much, so they drowned. And so I'll try to remove the branches. Some of them I trimmed already, like this one and this one, so that they're not on the way, but I'm gonna remove these up top now. Almost cut, but it doesn't fall off. But this fell off. Oh well, as soon as I said that, it needed 30 seconds and it fell. Nice. I removed all the tiny sticks and this will be it for now. I do not have much time left for this, so some other day the other branch. And this big one will be cut into smaller ones maybe later. We have potatoes showing up already. And today I will be cutting the leftover almond. The easy part is done. Now the hard part. All of that is left now. It's time for the other almond. A few days and potatoes are so grown up now. Although they are thin, peppers are meh. They have new leaves. Everything else has grown a little bit more. This is sad looking cherry, as long as the apricots. This though is huge. Huge corn. These tomatoes are very interesting. So they have one flower, then they have leaf, then there is another flower, then there is leaf, then second leaf, then flower. Wait, this wasn't the interesting one. There was another that pretty much had one leaf, one cluster, one leaf, one cluster. Look at this one. How many there are, and unfortunately there is no tip. This could have been the tip, but I cut it before I realized there is no other tip. So, well. Onions and garlic are now jungle. Asparagus is somewhat alive still. A few potatoes. Peppers have a lot of grass. And the beans. They don't have enough space to climb. Oh wait, here are the eggplant. One row. From which this is black and these are white. What else? There was a melon somewhere. I guess not anymore. Where is it? Where is the baby? Nope. No baby. These pumpkins. They have fluffy leaves, but at least. And these are the potatoes. Interesting that this year we didn't have the bugs that normally start to infest in here, which was nice, maybe because we planted them 1 month later. Hopefully there will be no bugs Everything else looks nice. We might have the first beans. Yes, we do. And here, oh wow. So I can harvest some because there will be a lot. Nice. When did you grow so fast? Amazing. These have grown up so much since last time. Here we have more leaves on the flowers. These are so much bigger too. These cucumbers are amazing. We don't have cucumbers yet, but that's fine. At least we have the green plant, so it will grow someday. These strawberries, some of them didn't survive at all. Well, we'll see. I might have to plant new ones. We have some spicy something. Lots of parsley, lots of cilantro in the back. No, not lots, but some. This is the only leek from this year. These flowers will be... Why are they so weird though? And then we have a wall of beans. And here we have a carpet of beans. Carpet of potatoes. We have peppers that drank too much water today. We had a situation of a forgotten pump. And then some melons. Nice melons. They need something for the fungi. The fungi. One interesting thing. We have this watermelon. From where did it came from? I'm not sure. We didn't plant any watermelon this year, so is it from last year? Maybe. We'll never know. We might have the first tomato. This one. Maybe tomorrow. Oh, we have another red in there. And cornichons. Oh. Oh. And I see another. I see more. They were 3. Here is another one. There was another. Here it is. The chunky one. Those have become chunkies too. All of those. And this one. Somebody tried to eat it. They're still eating. Here we have the chamomile growing. And here is the lavender. Some of them are not gonna survive, of course. We have those flowers. Those. Here we have the smallest flower ever. And a few strawberries. If they survive, that's gonna be good. We have the kitty still scratching the thingy. I'm gonna be taking this one too. These have grown a lot since the last time. Well, I see these ones. And this is the biggest one. The plant is bigger, the bugs are bigger, and a lot more. And here,